forward. But now let's get my bag ready. My curls are pretty much came out, so I don't think they're gonna last long. But we're gonna get ready now. We'll get my bag ready. Stubbies. It's sushi time. Hi guys, so you would have just saw some clips from Glasgow, going shopping with my sister. It's been a couple of days since then, and some of the clips that I was literally talking for 7 minutes, my headphones were connected to my phone, so it's muted and you literally can hear my family downstairs. So I haven't put them clips in, so that's why I'm going to attach this vlog to that vlog, as you can see right now. But I'm going to go into town today because I need to return what was going to be a Christmas present, but it doesn't fit. It was a pair of slippers. So I need to return that, and I'm thinking to go and get some Christmas things and stuff like that. So this is pretty much a Glasgow and local shopping trip, but it's probably not going to be called that. But it is a Sunday, it's bonfire night, so I'll include that as well. And also I'll probably just talk about why I've not been uploading, because this is the first actual vlog since not uploading for 2 weeks. Honestly, burnout again. It's not even funny, like literally so many hours, so many shifts. That's all I can say. Like literally burnout feels like after burnout. But I think you can actually see it this time, because it's not like me not uploading for 2 weeks. You guys know I love to vlog. I love to show you guys my life and be creative, and that's how I show my creativity, is through my editing, through my vlogs, everything like that. Even though to some people this isn't creativity, but to me it is. And I've generally just lost my creativity because of how many shifts I'm doing, how many hours, just burnout. That's literally all it is. But it's also more than that, because anyone can say they're burnt out, but honestly, up until you've actually felt it, burnt out is very important. Like, if you ever feel burnt out, you need to tell someone, or you need to talk to the person who is the problem of your burnout, or put yourself first, put your mental health first. I don't know. I'm saying all this, and I'm an overthinker. I overthink everything. So when you're burnt out and you do so many hours and you haven't even got the energy to do things you enjoy, like literally the past week I've been saying that to everyone, I don't have the energy to do things I love. But yeah, that's how I've been feeling. I'm gonna leave it to that. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna get ready still to go to the shops. this is the makeup. This will probably last me till tonight, but I might redo it, I don't know. Definitely going to put some highlighter on tonight because it's bonfire night. That's if we are still going. I think we will be, but I'm going to go to the shops now.